You need at least 4 in good length. So, yeah.
So we need to prepare 4.
Yeah. So imagine like an origami. So
Okay.
I will take this piece as an example. So you push it in half. Push it in half.
Okay.
And you divide here. This is just example. Okay.
Okay.
So when you put in the mold, you will go like this. Corner.
Square.
Yes, the correct corner. So do this 4 times.
4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
And then you put the filling, rice, beans, and then meat.
The meat.
Yeah, and then the beans and then the rice.
Okay.
So to make a full layer, and then you push all in like this. Also,
And then just to cover it,
and you're
going to tie. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to use this one or which one? Which one is better?
We will pick out the last. You pick out beautiful leaves here.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one will leave a better color on the rice when it's cooked. Yeah. So yeah. So a guide is you take measure. You take measure of this. You see this? It starts with here. So
We need to cut it there.
Yeah.
Xin đổ quyền ít
So
phút
it's
để
easier
thực
to,
hiện bài bánh chưng cùng với
it's
ban
easier
lãnh
to
đạo
measure.
tôi. Xin mời quý khách
So
cùng
we
tham
pick
gia.
the widest. So cut this part here, and then you take measure. Take measure here.
Oh, okay. Much easier.
Yeah, much easier.
And then we're going to cut it
Yeah,
here.
no. We need to multiply. So because this is only a half
Half
of the
of
square.
the square.
Yes. So we will take it here.
1.
We will take
And then,
it's around here, right?
yes.
So we push it in half,
Half.
and then we cut here.
We cut here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to cut it here.
We're going to cut it there. Yeah. So now we do it again.
And then put it on the side.
Yeah. Yeah. Push it on
Xin
here.
mời mọi người tham gia hoạt động.
So we're going to get another one.
Đây
Yes,
là
we
phần
get
quà
another
của
one.
This
thoải
one.
mái ạ.
If it's good long enough, so we will use this one as an example.
As a pattern. Okay.
Đây ạ.
And then
now this
here.
part here, I have to make folds.
So we're just going to cut.
Yeah.
And then just the same, we're going to fold it in half.
we fold it in half. It's a bit curly, yeah.
Yeah.
So we got the second
Dạ,
part.
chúng ta
Yeah.
sẽ cắt cho hai góc của lá bằng với hai góc của khuôn.
And then
Và
we're
chúng ta
going
sẽ
to
làm cho
Actually,
mình bốn góc.
because this is a much more
Much better.
much better piece, so we're going to save this
Cùng
and
với
we
tham gia
put.
hoạt động
Use
thể
this
hiện bài
one.
bánh chưng không ạ?
Okay.
Okay.
Tại đây hoạt động
We
thể
put
hiện
this
bài
in
bánh chưng
first.
hoàn toàn miễn phí
This
ạ,
is
và
the
quý khách tham gia
ugly
có thể
piece.
có quà mang về ạ.
Sorry, leaf.
But you will be the bottom part.
Yeah, one piece here is done. So now we take other piece. Yeah. This is a bit big.
I think this one.
Yeah, this is perfect. Very good eye.
We're going to cut it there. Then just cut.
This is also a beautiful leaf.
Uh,
Now we put it on
On this side.
Yes.
So what do you do on that one? You eat it?
Yes.
You eat those one?
Those are for experience and product. Visitor. We have prepared a gift for you when you participate in making.
Ah, okay. There's a gift. So may free gift pa tayo after this. So here,
Yeah.
One
we need
more.
one final piece. We have
one.
this
Oh, so
corner
one
here.
more.
Yeah. We need 4 corner.
So we can just use this one, right?
Yes. Good enough.
Ayan, nakagawa na tayo ng box na paglalagyan natin.
Yeah. So now we put the filling in. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we put
We
the,
put the rice. So it's rice first.
yes, it's rice first. The first layer.
The first layer.
It's like a filling with
Okay.
good filling. Rice, and then we put beans,
The
and then we put
beans.
meat. Another beans, and then we put rice.
Okay. So rice. Is this enough?
Yes. Yes. We will adjust. Yeah. Push it. Yeah.
Push
down.
it. Okay.
Push it down. Yeah. Do you? Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Philippines.
Philippines. Do you have anything similar to this?
Yeah, we have rice in the Philippines as well.
Does it look like a triangle? Does it look like a triangle?
Yes.
I
The
see.
triangle rice. What do you call this here?
It's bánh chưng.
Panchung.
Is how we call it in Vietnamese language. But we usually call it to the foreigner as a chung cake. But,
Cake.
To be honest, I don't think it's cake.
Yeah, it's not a cake, it's a rice,
Yeah,
right?
it's a rice. Yeah. And I think it just would be better to just be called rice. Rice.
Rice.
Yeah. Rice. Something.
Then how many pieces of meat are we
As
going?
much as you like.
Okay. So let's put everything here.
Oh no.
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 Spread it like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, just a small layer. Yeah.
I think that's
enough. Yeah. So another layer.
another layer of beans. Why do you call this? So this is a bean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beans from what? What kind of bean?
Yes.
Bean sprout?
Yes.
We called it toge in the Philippines. Is that enough?
A bit too much, I think.
I ate too much. Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
And
Push it
then
down, yeah.
just push it down. And then the rice. Is this enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to cover the side. I think too much rice too.
Too much rice. Okay.
Yeah. Cover the meat.
Okay, then how are we going to block it?
So just like before, we push in. Yeah.
One at a time.
Yeah. So.
And then this
Wait,
side.
no. This side. Because
This side
layer,
first.
layer.
Okay.
This is the last layer. Yeah.
Okay.
This thing.
And then fold that layer. And then this one. Oh, I see. Okay. So much better. It's a bigger leaf we're using, right?
Yeah. So now we need to tie it up. I don't know how. He more experienced than me.
Okay.
Bánh mì phòi nha, phòi rồi. Phòi chắc chắn phòi. Lá thôi. Cái này là phòi rồi. Dạ. Hoặc là dùng thì nguyên.
Dạ vâng ạ, thưa các mẹ. Dạ. Con nhà mẹ có con gái không?
He will show you how to tie. I cannot. I don't know how to.
And then we're just going to twist it.
Yes.
Saraji. Like that.
Ham vui còn hơn cả khách trên này.
Okay, and then we're going to put it like that. One more?
It's going to break, so be
Oh,
careful.
sorry. Okay.
Be careful. Cut your hand. That's beautiful, yeah.
Ơi kéo đây này. Đây lấy kéo.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, finish it now.
Finished product.
And you could actually make a heart shape.
Heart shape. We have the heart shape McDonald's, guys, libre from the Philippines, made by a Filipino. Hello.
McDonald's product. We also have a gift for you too.
Okay, a gift, yes.
Wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan. Thank you. What's your name?
Zui.
Zooey?
Yes, Zui. My name is Zui.
Zooey.
Your name?
Joms.
Joms. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, May palibre pa tayong Sunworld. Let's go! So, ayan, try natin gumawa ng rice cake daw ang tawag nila. Pero sa atin, binalot. At may palibre sila. So, feeling ko ito yung mga ginawa kanina sa binalot. Kaya, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung ano to. Okay. 6. Thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last is the blue one. 6. Thank you. So, andito na kami ngayon sa waiting nung tram. Paakyat. Ayan, yung sasakyan natin sa likod. Paakyat. Funicular tram.
Fan tram.
Fan tram.
Kaya ate dyan o.
Ayan na tayo. Ma-under na. Bye-bye. Susulat kami. So, dito tayo sa kabila. Ay, hindi. Ito ata. Here and then here. Dito daw tayo. Ayan. Paakit na tayo ng summit. So, sabi daw 1.7 kilometers. Tama ba? Or what? Ayun. Sa taas. Hi guys! Kaya pa. Kaya today, no? Oo, may pangakainan pa din pala dito. Ayan. Sa pag-akit nyo, may kainan pa rin. So, kung nagugutom kayo, pwede pa yung magpahinga. At kumain-kain. May cafe, ayun. Tapos meron dito. Ayan pa, mga kainan pa din. Pero in fairness, may hingal. May hingal factor. Ayan. So, kainan. Cheese. Laban si pag-akyat para sa love of vlogging, para sa inyo to mga patola. So ayan, may mga stopover naman pala kung gusto mo mag stopover, pero eto naman konti na lang na steps. Ayan, so eto na. So we're in the top Kinezo. So dito ang daming tao. So, eto yung summit. Saan pwede ka mag-take ng pictures. Welcome to the top of Indochina! Guys, come on, halika na join! So guys, nandito na ngayon tayo sa taas ng Fansipan Peak. So ayan, as you can see. At ang daming tao, promise. So ayan, meron pa dito. Sa side na to. Tapos ayan. Tapos meron pa din dito, ayan. 3.143 M. So ayan, baba na daw muna tayo. Nakakatakot naman dito. Oh, di ba? Siguro yung mga tao kanina sa baba, andito naman na ngayon lahat sa taas. Ayan, this is the peak. Nagpa-group photo kami doon and pupunta daw dito sa photo counter. Ito. So, dito natin kukunin yung photo natin dito sa photo counter. And yung ticket, I think, ayan. So, dito na din tayo bibili ng ticket pababa. Kasi yung ticket natin na paakyat sa Klook is free yung paakyat. Pero yung pababa, bibili tayo. And yung pababang ticket, that is 120,000 dong yung ticket pababa. So, eto yung mga prices nung sizes na pagkukunin nyo.
Sige, anong size ang
Nakuha na namin yung ticket namin pababa. So, dito na lang namin siya binili sa taas. 120 dong. And inaantay lang namin yung mga friends namin para makababa na kami dahil bumibili pa rin sila nung group photo namin. Kaya, let's just wait and magko-coffee din tayo in a bit. Ayan guys, so pababa siya at nakakatakot. Oo. So, kung may fear of heights kayo everyone, dahan-dahan lang. Take your time. In fairness, kahit ako medyo may lula factor sa akin. Kaya dahan-dahan lang din ako. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Dahan-dahan mga friends. Para hindi tayo maging isang kwento. Tinatanim nila. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ito, ililipat nila dito. Ayan. The mist ang atake natin for today's video. So, dapat maliwanag. Maglabas tayo ng flashlight para hindi sila maglapitan. O, pak. Ayun ka, kasama ka, te. Huwag kang tas edit out na lang. Charis! Since super late naman na. Super late na, late lunch na kami. So dito na kami nag-lunch sa may Fancy Pan. Yung sa kanilang parang buffet area. And ito yung mga food namin. So yung order ko is beef po, something, basta beef po noodles. Ay, ayan, yung friend ko, burgers, ayan, noodles din, si RR, si GL, noodles din. Parang puro kami noodles, madam, go lang, laps. Yes, Monty, habang kumakagat ka, how's the taste? It's giving. So, ayan, ito yung order natin. Bumili lang ako ng sausage, parang 50 dong ang isa. Ito is, nakalimutan ko yung price, lagay ko na lang mamaya. So, beef po. Tapos ito yung mga side dishes niya. At ayan, may pa-pizza kami. Itadakimasu! Japanese pa din. Andito kami ngayon sa baba, yung exit nila. And this is yung mga souvenirs. Ayan, as you can see. Mga stuffed toys here. Ayan, mga mugs. Ayan, ang cute nitong mga mugs. Fancy Pan mugs. Ito mga damit nila. Ayan dyan, damit. Picture frames. Ito din mga damit. Ito is Sun World na pan-display. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ito din, mga pan-display lang din. Cups. And then, bags. Ang dami nilang toys. Ang cute, I love Sapa. T-shirt. Ayan. Mga design. 150,000 dong. Yung mga shirts. Ito pa. In fairness, ito is ref magnets. Ito madami pa na mga ref magnets. Gusto ko sticker. Ayan. These are mga postcard. And this side is yung kanilang mga products. Durian. This is tsaa. Parang tsaa ata siya. 250 grams. Trong luong. 190. Ito is yung mga coffee. Ito, coffee. Kape. Kape Vico, 3-in-1. Rock Cafe. Kape Dua, white coffee. So, hindi ko alam to. Durian candy. Matcha? Or jasmine? Parang jasmine thing. Puro durian. ube. Milk cake. Gatas ng kambing. Ito colostrum cake. Ito gatas ng kalabaw, baka. Ito is Delio Sapa tsaa. Tsaa 290 dong. This one is 150. Ito din. Ay. Oh. Musang coffee. Ang dami. Ayun pa. What's that? Ito is parang alak. Oo, mga alak. Ayan, oh. This side is mga alak nila. Wine. Apricot. Rose apple. This one is blood plum liquor. Ayan yung mga variations niya. At may maliliit sila. Ang cute lang. Pang regalo. So ano siya? Simsan? Parang rice wine. Rice wine. Candies.